So here we have the Metabo. Again, just a quick shot on that. We just remove the blade lock on there. Again, you can remove the blade holder. And this one here is fitted with the, again, with the lever for the shroud. And there is a bolt here that holds it in. And in the pack, you get a shorter bolt to replace it. So using again the Torx 20. So removing the screw, pop that out. You can then, again, just using the end of it to lever out, remove the bar, it's on a little hinge, and then if I just move this and spin that, you'll see there's a little spring in here. Again, we need to remove that. It's very straightforward. Each side of the spring, but you pull it out and remove it. There's your spring, it is able to be refitted. And then using the new bolts supplied, so just replacing the M5 bolt, again now with the one that's again 3mm shorter, so it's done up snugly. And the grinder is now ready for fitting the adapter ring.